Hi everyone, my name is Bosco. I'm very excited here today. Today is our first time to open up the new factory to the visitors. This factory is 100% self-built, fully owned factory located in Zhaoqing. So where's Zhaoqing? It's a fast-growing city in the Great Bay Area of China, about 110 kilometers northwest of Guangzhou, the capital of Guangdong Province. Our factory is in Chinese high-tech industrial park. It spans across total plant area about 2 million square meters. Our phase 1 construction has occupied about 1/3 of the total area. The construction of this factory took about 15 months. We laid down the foundation in December 2017. We all know it's a smart manufacturing base. But I want to share with you something that you don't know. This is our story. In only 3 years ago, this piece of land is a massive fish pond. Geologically, there were caves underneath. It took us a long time to fill those caves to lay a solid foundation. Over 17,000 piles were built. The average length of each pile is about 30 meters. The longest pile is about 68 meters. During this 15 months of construction period, 60% of time were in a rainy day. The construction of phase 1 was complete in September 2019, and the first SOP is rolled out in March 2020. In May 2020, we received the official production approval from the Minister of Industrial Information and Technology of China, so-called MIIT. All right, so you know how the factory is built. Now let's look more closely about how P7 was produced. Here is our stamping workshop. This is where the main body structure of P7 is built. All the steel plates are stamped and formed on the massive 6,600-ton digital control automatic stamping production line. It delivers as many as 12 pieces per minute with precision as fine as 0.1 millimeters. The main vehicle body is transported to the welding workshop. If you visit this workshop, you will often see the spark is flying. There are 210 ABB industrial robots meticulously doing their job: gluing, welding, aluminum plate riveting. It's 100% automation rate for Tier 1 and Tier 2 final assemblies. The advanced visual gluing system can achieve accuracy as fine as 0.05 millimeters. The next step is to bring the vehicle to the painting workshop, where the color of the body is applied. We also use a world-class eco-friendly coating material. This will ensure the painting quality, and at the same time, we protect the environment. The battery is the heart of Smart EV. We have a dedicated battery pack workshop. It has an AGV flexible production line with high precision visual system, and the robot to execute intelligent operations. Every battery pack meets the industry-leading IP68 sealing protection requirements. Here, all main components of Xpeng P7 are gathered together for the final assembly. Material supply and the distribution are done automatically, fully automated. All components are meticulously assembled. Before P7 is rolled out, it has to go through 18 rigorous quality control tests. Each vehicle also needs to go through over 1,700 dynamic and static tests. In addition, another 18 road condition simulation we will make for the control, braking, comfort level, sealing, and abnormal sound, etc. All these is how our Smart EV, a super long-range sports sedan, P7, is made.